Hi guys, so I just logged into my YouTube Studio channel dashboard and I noticed this blue bar that says you can now hide video ranking and performance details. And then if you look to the left, under where it says latest video performance, you'll notice this new bar here showing how many views you got, how many comments you've got, and how many likes you've got on your most recent upload. Yeah, just under the thumbnail. And then to the right of that, you'll notice this arrow here. So if you'd like to hide the video ranking details, all you need to do is click on the up arrow, and then you can now see that the performance ranking details are hidden. And if you'd like to see the performance ranking details again, all you'd need to do is just click on that arrow again and all the details will come back again. I think YouTube has incorporated this because, you know, when you just upload your video and you want it to get to number one, you want it to rank top as soon as you've uploaded it. And I think this might be a way of reducing pressure on content creators, because you're only as good as your last video. And then if your last video was ranking first, you would want your recent uploads to be first as well. And then if you're putting too much pressure on yourself to always outdo your last video, sometimes it doesn't happen like that. So I think they've given us an option to hide it to reduce pressure on us. I think they're trying to look after our mental health, not to stress ourselves too much with the views. So I think that's a way of them looking out for us again. So thanks, YouTube. Let me know what you think of this new hiding and unhiding feature in your studio. Let me know what you think in the comments section. And I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Also check out my demonetization playlist. So if your channel got demonetized or you were applying for monetization and you got rejected for any reason, I've got ways that can help you with that to get your monetization back or to get monetized in the first place. And I also have Google AdSense tips and more YouTube tips and household how-to videos. So please check out my playlist and I shall see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.